Hi, and welcome to Christian Life Center Assemblies of God in Iowan.
Kanina, nagdiskubriho naton ang kaayos ng Ginoo sa simbahan sa barangay Inayawan. Kanina!
When was the church founded?
Sang tuig 1995, nagkadto ang grupo halin sa Mina upod sa Amon kag naghiwat kami sa DBBS diri sa Inayawan. Pagkatapos adto, amon ginfollow up ang mga decisions, nag-house to house kami, nagdipang bisita, nagpakigabyan sa mga tao kag nag-open sa mga Bible studies.
And what was the primary motivation or vision behind its establishment?
1997 naka-church building kami para may tipunan ang mga tumuluo kag manurture sila sing maayo sa pulong sa Ginoo.
How has the church grown or evolved since its founding?
Nagmadasig ang pagtubo sa iglesia. Kay after a year, nakabautiso kami sa mga 12 ka mga tao. Kag nagpadayon ang Ginoo nagluwas sa mga tao. Kag sige kami bautiso kada tuig. Kag naglapot, 60 ka tao ang gindugang sa Ginoo nga ginbautisuhan nga nagkalaluwas. So, we prayed to have a bigger space and God gave us this new and bigger church building now.
Staring into your eyes makes my heart come alive. Suddenly brought to life when I met you. Reaching beyond the skies, running deep, stretching wide. Perfect love realized here with you. Come on now. Now this love is for real. You will never let go, never let go. Oh, and it's more than just words. Love beyond my control, out of control. Hands up. This is real love. This is real love. Say this is real love. This is real love. Oh. Come on and say, you're pulling me closer and closer, holding my heart to the very end. Jesus, I'm found in your freedom. This is real love. This is real love. In your heart, I'm found. I want you. I want you. You won't let me down. You got me. You got me. No time is for real. You will never let go. Never let go. Oh, and it's more than just words. Love beyond my control. Out of control.
Hi, I'm Johanna. This is my instrument, piano. Piano na lang ang kabuhay ko kung wala si Kristo.
Hi, I'm James Dominic and this is my instrument, drums. I play it by putting the heart before the beat. Hi, my name is Jasser. I slap my bass to give God the highest praise.
Hi, my name is Joshua. Dati akong patetik, ngunit ngayon lang nakilala ko si Kristo. Ako ngayon ay
Okay.
Hi, I'm Stephen. Electric guitar ni. Tungod sang electricity sang presensya sang Ginoo, gitarong niya ang kabuhi ko.
May His favor be upon you, and behind you, and beside you, all around you, and within you. He is with you. Amen. 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 And this is the end of our vlog. Thank you and God bless! Pagpaanin ng kinakatawa, everyone tayo na nag-iusa. Mag-aalam ng Diyos na nakasadya. Kamain bayan sa imong managwa, kasanagon sa kanuna. Ang